Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. In today's vid, we are going to look at candles that form after the news, okay, and why I'm willing to trade them, all right? So we have a really good example here with pound US dollar, all right? So this very large H4 candle here was all because of CPI data being better than expected for the pound. Okay, and price just shot up and we got a crazy strong H4 candle. Later on that day, I ended up taking a sell trade from here down to here. If I just quickly show you on the M15, yeah, it was a M15 break here and took price down to here. My stop was up here, but I ended up taking profit here, guys, because of H1 structure. Okay, and we had a bit of a reaction at this level. So that was my trade. So I was willing to sell at this level. Please, bear in mind that was going against this H4 candle. Yeah, the one I just pointed out. This H4 candle hadn't formed yet. So a lot of traders in the VIP asked me, they were like, Tom, why would you sell that candle? It's so bullish. And the answer is because it's a news candle. All right. So you have to imagine, guys, and also always think of the psychology of the market. So if you're a news trader, and we've demonstrated this on a few news strategies that we're testing, but you are pretty much in and out. Yeah. I know a couple of news traders, well, I did, and they are just trading, a very short trade. Yeah, news is positive. They get in on that and they buy and then they sell very quickly and they're out of the trade. Okay, so now imagine this H4 candle. So those news traders have seen the news is better than expected. Let's say they got in here, they push price up to here. They know it's a good level. Yeah, and then they all exited their trade. Yeah, because again, they're not in the trade long. It's just a reaction to news. They are in and out. Yeah. Rarely, unless it's crazily better than expected, rarely do you get a sustained move with news. Sometimes news comes out, we have a big move in one direction, it whips down in another, So this is what happened here, guys. So like I say, this candle come out, news traders have pushed it up to this level. A lot of them have closed positions. Yeah. They're like, right, we've made our money. We're done for the day. Okay. They wait for the next bit of big news. So this H4 candle is like a false economy. Yeah. It was just a lot of buying pressure in a short period of time, which has obviously led to a very strong H4 candle. But once all that finishes, yeah, I'm happy to sell it, let the dust settle, and then price, still respects this level. We still get a very nice bearish reaction. It goes back to following price action and support and resistance. Okay. This is still a nice level. It'd be interesting to see what this candle does, but it's still a nice level, guys. So although we had this huge bullish candle, it was news driven and therefore very short lived. There wasn't any follow through because people are closing their trades, and therefore I'm willing to sell that candle. All right. Like I say, guys, I've taken a bit of profit off this trade. I'm still in this trade. My stop's up here on my hedge. And we still like this level, guys, for potential sell. So we will see. So there you go, guys. I hope that helps. You understand why I was willing to short such a bullish candle, because it was news driven. And if you like this tutorial, enjoy this vid, then please come join us, guys. Subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you. And also, guys, please smash the like button. All right, guys, see you next time.